So today we are coming a fish and a chips shop to install the POS system. The customers use the old version system, now upgraded to the new one, because this one is easy for the staff to learn. So normally you spend about 5 to 10 minutes to training your staff, and then they will know how to use it. Very easy. So most fish and chips, the fulfillment type is takeaway. So we remove all the other options. And if the customer ring, what we can do is we can choose the time. So for example, if now it's 10:30, if they want to pick up at the 11:30, we can choose the time and confirm. Then you press what customer want. Then you click send, because customer call in, you don't have, they haven't paid yet, so we send it. So after send it, when the customer come here pick up, you click unpay and find the number 702. Click here. So it's 1850. Pay. Customer says pay $80. You click 80, and if they pay car, press car here and enter the number from the Apple machine. If they choose a cash, then you choose cash. The invoices come out, and that's it. Very easy setup. It's a 115.6-inch slim screen, one cash drawer, and one printer.